Denver is following Adams County and tightening the rules in the hopes of slowing the spread of the virus. It is moving to level 3 of safer at home. That means restaurants can have only 25% of capacity, and bars that don't sell food have to close completely. Places of worship, retail stores, and personal service businesses and gyms are also limited to 25% capacity.
Our Department of Public Health and Environment will be increasing enforcement of these activities that are prohibited under city and state public health orders. Our tolerance for violating the public health orders will have to be, unfortunately, very limited. And they have to be because this is about saving lives.
Andrea Flores on the story in Denver tonight. And Andrea, you had to break the news to a gym owner about the changes to his business.
That's right, I did, Jim, and it's been a confusing day for the owner of Ubergrippen Gym here and countless other gyms across the metro area. At first, a lot of them thought that they would have to close completely. Now we know they can operate at 25% or 25 people, but even with those new guidelines, many wonder if it's worth it to be open at all.
Stay tight. Yeah, nice.
It's a good place to actually see people in a safe way.
15-year-old Finn Phillips is on a youth climbing team at Ubergrippen Indoor Climbing in Denver.
Nice, Finn.
It's been his only physical outlet during quarantine.
A lot of kids, they're not in school. Even though we are social distancing, it's a good place to sort of interact with other people and exert energy and not be in the house all day doing schoolwork.
Stay tight. Yeah,
this form of exercise is at risk after a stay-at-home level 3 announcement from the city and county of Denver. Gyms can only operate at 25% capacity or with 25 people.
If we have to limit ourselves to 25% total occupancy in our building, that puts us at 1 person per 800 square feet. It's going to be pretty much like a ghost town there. So
owner Jake Krine says the new mandate is overly restrictive in his 20,000 square foot facility. He's encouraging city officials to reconsider.
There's a lot of places where we're seeing outbreaks, and gyms, the data does not support the need to be so restrictive on gyms. It's just not there. So use the data to guide your decisions.
For now, climbers like Finn are enjoying the gym while they still can.
Just hope they don't close it down.
Now, I spoke with the owner tonight, and he tells me he's already reduced his staff from 40 people to just 20 people since the pandemic started. He plans to stay open for as long as possible and actually tells me he's in talks with the city as we speak to figure out a plan for this much larger space. Reporting live in Denver tonight, I'm Andrea Flores covering Colorado First.